Hey y'all, today we are going to do a 10-minute makeup challenge. I guess you would call this a challenge. I am so sorry that you are hearing my dog and probably my goat. So my dog has to be in the house because my goat is loose and she is headbutting the crap out of him, and we just can't have that right now. So disregard all of that. If you hear it, I am so sorry. She's legit right here at the door. Yes, it's been a day, you guys, but I seen Emily Noel do this and I wanted to try it. So this is going to be unedited. We are just gonna try putting makeup on in 10 minutes. I'm really gonna try my best. I have everything already sitting out in front of me, so hopefully we can get this done. If you are new here, I use all natural lighting. I don't use any artificial lights, no ring lights. I want you guys to see my skin, how it naturally is. I want you to see if these products cover, how they cover, and I want you to see everything true to color. So, if you don't know, kind of ring lights, artificial lights, they can really filter out the skin, they can blur out the skin, and they can even wash it out, like make people look lighter, kind of just washes everything out, your redness, everything. But I'm going to stop rambling about that. We use all natural lighting. What you see is what you get here. And let's see if we can get this makeup done in 10 minutes. Okay, so really quickly before we get started, I got a new sponge. This is the Uoma sponge. I guess that's how you say that. I got this from Ulta. It's $15. It got much, much bigger when I wet it. And this top part is so stinking soft. Oh, it's so good. The bottom is firmer and it says if you want fuller coverage to use this. So we're going to try this out today. Nothing else here is new, just this. But let me grab my phone to start my timer here. And let's do this. All right. I'm going to use the VDL Perfect Something Foundation. Put that on the back of my hand. And then just kind of spread it around the skin. I'm not using a primer. I just don't think it's necessary. But I went for a matte foundation because that takes out a step for us. I don't want to have to set it. So we're doing matte. I'm just trying to get everything blended. That's the whole key here, is you want it to look blended, not streaky. No marks, you know, on your face, not missing a whole section. I do that from time to time, so let's hope that we get everything blended out, but we have to do it quickly. And I just got my brows microbladed about a week ago, so I can't go near them, so that's gonna be a little bit harder for me, but I'm gonna try my best here. Oh, this sponge, I think I'm really gonna love it if it lasts, because it is working really nicely. All right, let's build up our coverage just a smidge. Probably shouldn't have done that. That's gonna take some extra blending there. All right, so switching back to the black part of the sponge. All right, all right. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get. Just gonna make sure we'll run bronzer down the neck. Concealer, this is the L'Oreal Age Perfect. Probably just used way too much, but we are in a hurry here, people. All right, same sponge. You guys, this sponge is so flippin' soft, like wow soft. Like, wow. I could totally use this every day. Oh my word. Like, it's way softer than a beauty blender. Wow. And I like how it's double-sided to where you can kind of control your coverage. All right, where I'm not going near the brows, I'm just kind of smearing that around. All right, I think everything's blended out pretty good. I'm gonna grab some powder. This is IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. And we're gonna set the under eye. I'm not setting the whole face, just the under eye and nose, a little bit around the mouth. All right, guys, we gotta hurry. All right, for bronzer, I'm gonna bring in this Morphe bronzer, big brush, and just kind of disperse it. Sorry, that was the hubs. Where the goat is loose, I had to call him. He's at work, but we're busy right now, so I cannot answer. Crap. So sorry, guys, so sorry. Okay, this bronzer is a bit patchy. You can kind of see it right there, but we're gonna have to try to make this work. Okay, just grabbing my powder brush. There's nothing on it, but I just want to kind of disperse that a bit better because it's not looking good. We'll come back to the bronzer if we have to, if we have time. All right, let's do blush. I have the Physicians Formula Organic Wear. And I'm just going to dab my brush into it and then put it on the cheeks. Just a light flush. It's kind of what we're going for, where the skin is matte. I need some glow back in the skin. Highlighter, Bare Minerals. I talked all about this in my favorites. Okay. I have some weirdness going on over here. It's kind of breaking apart there. I'm gonna run my sponge back over it. It's probably the powder. I need a pause. I've got black stuff from my eye there. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Need to go back over that a little bit with some powder because it does not look good there at all. Okay. Bring in my powder brush back in, nothing on it. Just want to get this bronzer dispersed a bit better. Okay, eyes. I want to do something on the eyes, but our time is running out. We've got 4 minutes. I'm going to take a little bit of the Lorac shadow here and just put it on the lid and blend it up just a little bit. I love these shadows. They're so good. Oh my God, I don't have time. Just kind of fluffing that in. Let's see what we're looking like here. Get this edge a little bit better. Okay. Now we need mascara, but before I do that, I'm gonna put some glue on my lashes. Gosh, this is like kind of frantic, you guys. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of how my day's been all around, so we're just staying with it. I'm using my normal Eylure 117s. Actually, I think I'm going to put mascara on after, simply because I won't have to wait on my lashes to dry like that. I'm going to grab a little bit of this darker brown shadow here and just run it under the eye, just for a little bit of definition. Okay. Oh, that's not blended. My brows are starting to peel, so sorry about that, you guys. Lipstick, and now you're gonna clean our lips off. We're putting this baby on. I don't know about this lipstick, but this is what we've got. This is what we're using. All right, lashes still aren't completely dry. Come on, you guys. I'm gonna try to blow on them. We've got a 1.5 minutes left. Okay, we're putting these babies on. They're still a little wet. I'd like them to be a bit drier, but we don't have that luxury today. Lashes legitimately bring a whole look together. Like, they make a huge difference. Even in a 10-minute look, you guys. I'm gonna be picking glue off my lashes for the next like 3 days. That's okay. We're getting this shiz done. Alright. Pretty good, pretty good. Mascara. Just to get everything together here. My ends are popping off. Shiznit. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm totally in the zone. Focusing. Okay, and a little bit of, no, I think I'm gonna leave mascara off the lower lashes. Boom, done. Okay, we finished everything. I am totally shocked. So this is our finished look. Let me tell you what I would do differently because that was so rushed. A setting spray I would definitely use, but where my brows are not fully healed, I haven't been using a setting spray, but I would definitely grab one. What else? Bronzer. Bronzer down the neck. This Morphe bronzer is a no-go. Like, when you're in a hurry, you want something that blends out really nicely, not something that's patchy. Not a fan. Let me grab a bronzer really quickly. Hold that thought. I will have to edit this out, you guys, but hold that thought. So I think legit the one and only thing that I'm missing is some bronzer down the neck, just to tie everything together so I'm not looking completely off with my skin. And had I not had picked, you know, a shitty bronzer, we could have totally got this in. So this is the only thing I would do different. We got lashes on, we got eyeshadow, I couldn't touch my brows, but we did a full face and the coverage is pretty dang good. It's pretty on point here. So we have medium to full-ish coverage, I would say. I would say high medium coverage. But for 10 minutes, shoot, I think we did friggin' awesome. We didn't miss anything, I don't think. Let's see, foundation, concealer, blush, bronzer, highlight. We did one eyeshadow on top, one eyeshadow on the bottom. Dang, I'm so proud of myself for this. Like, 10 minutes. Normally, I take my time. But if you're rushing out the door, if you've got a job to get to, or if you're dropping the kids off at school, 10 minutes, we got this down. I'm so happy, you guys. Like, I didn't think I would be able to do it. Honestly, I did not. Or I thought it would be all streaky and gross and wow. But no, everything is blended out nicely. It looks a little heavy around here. I think that's the powder though. Wow. I'm super proud of myself, like no joke, like wow. So yeah, this is it, you guys. I'm not going to edit this except for the part where I had to get up, get my bronzer. That should be the only edited part in this video. Of course, it's gonna be over 10 minutes because I did an intro and then an outro. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see any other challenge type videos, this or that, I have several coming up. Some new products. Oh, this sponge. I love this so far. We'll see how it holds up. I will update you guys, but I love the way this feels. I think I like it better than even the Beauty Blender or the Real Technique sponge. So there's that. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see anything. I have like a spring essentials video coming out and some new products. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.